So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So just I made video yesterday, like I made video on Jantar Mantar protest, and I was just sharing my point of view, sharing my thoughts. What my thought was, like, just we need to change the education system. We need to stand for the student and also their future. If paper leak is happening every year, so how student will do good in their future, and also how they contribute good for our nation. So according to me, I think undeserving students are going, I can say, doing good in their life. Why? Because they are purchasing uh, paper, and then they are selecting a exam and qualifying an exam, or selecting or getting a seat, medical seat. So according to me, we need to stand. Just that was my point of view. Yes, in yesterday, or on that video, actually I posted it on Instagram. So there was my friend, he was saying what happened if you are making videos, and then I tell him, like I told him, to be honest, if I say, I told him, uh, if you have a kid in your future and they will give exam, so if paper leak will happen, then what will you do? The same thing will happen with your kids as well. So he was saying, I don't want my kid will do something good in education, or they will do something in their future. I just teach them how to fix a car tire, how to do work, and how to do business. I will teach such kind of things. The point of view is good, but apart from that, we need to stand for, if something wrong is happening in our country, so we need to make videos on it. And at least, like, I know it's I don't have time to do something for the students. Like, I cannot go to do protest with them. Why? Because I have my family, I have my own responsibility, I'm studying. So at least I can make video against them, and just create awareness around us. So that was my motive, to be honest, if I say. And thank you so much. It's people perspective, in which perspective you are taking a particular thing or a particular video. It's up to you guys. And just we need awareness, because if in future such undeserving people will become a doctor, then injustice will happen with you. Because you know, politicians are so rich, they can go to treat their, like, if any disease happen, or if anything wrong happen with their health, they can afford that much money. They can go abroad and they can afford good doctors. But we people do not have any choice in future. Like, we have to uh, treat, do treatment in our country, because in future we do not have much money. So we need good doctors in our country, and good people. It's not about good people, but I can say must have a good education, and deserving people should go there where they want to go. It's my point of view is not that please give me seat, or I want to become a doctor. Just give seat to those who genuinely deserving. And no doubt there is lots of talent here in our country, and also lot of talented people are here. So that was my point of view. And making video is just uh, creating a kind of video to give awareness. Although I don't have much subscriber or much views on my YouTube channel, or in my on my Instagram as well. So my motive was that I don't want to hurt anyone. My motive is just to give awareness to everyone, and they can make videos, they can ask to government, like why paper leak is happening year by year. How can we stop this thing? Because if in future simultaneously this process will continue, then I don't think we can do good in our life, or I can say in our country, or our country will not grow, to be honest, if I say. Because if the deserving people go forward, they will do good. If undeserving people purchasing paper and paper leak is happening, so I don't think our country will grow or will do good in future. So that's what my point of view. It's up to you in which way you want to take. Thank you so much.